Imagine a world where machines do everything we once did. This is not a distant fantasy, but an approaching reality where artificial intelligence could soon perform every job humans can. From crafting delicate jewelry to performing complex surgeries, AI systems are rapidly evolving to match and exceed human capabilities across various industries and professions. In the near future, the concept of human employment might be redefined entirely. Could there be one last job left for humanity amidst this technological revolution? To understand this potential shift, we must first explore how far AI technology has advanced in recent years, from autonomous vehicles to automated customer service. AI algorithms have already surpassed human performance in many tasks, including playing chess, diagnosing diseases, and even composing music. But despite these advancements, there are certain jobs that require uniquely human traits like empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These roles are less likely to be automated because they involve nuanced interactions and decision-making processes that current AI struggles to replicate. As AI continues to encroach upon traditional occupations, it raises questions about what kind of work will remain exclusively human, and why. This documentary aims to explore the boundaries between human and machine, examining which jobs are most resilient against automation, and why they matter. As automation increases efficiency in manufacturing, robots perform repetitive tasks with unparalleled accuracy, reducing errors and increasing production speed. In agriculture, drones monitor crop health and apply pesticides precisely, minimizing waste and improving yields. Farmers now rely on data-driven decisions for optimal harvests. AI algorithms analyze a complex financial data, making predictions and executing trades faster than any human could. Trading floors have transformed into high-tech server rooms. Transportation systems integrate AI for smarter logistics, optimizing routes and schedules. Autonomous vehicles navigate city streets safely and efficiently, reducing traffic congestion. In healthcare, AI assists doctors by analyzing medical images and patient records, aiding in early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. Robots perform precise surgeries. Legal technology uses AI to review documents, identify key information, and predict case outcomes. This reduces the time and cost associated with legal proceedings. Education adapts to AI integration, offering personalized learning paths for students based on their strengths and weaknesses. Intelligent tutoring systems provide real-time feedback. Entertainment industry leverages AI to create realistic special effects and personalized content recommendations. Algorithms tailor movie suggestions to individual viewer preferences. Customer service experiences are revolutionized with AI chatbots, providing instant support and resolving issues efficiently. Conversational interfaces enhance user interaction. Artificial intelligence composes music, writes articles, and designs products, showcasing its creativity and adaptability across various industries. It challenges our perception of innovation. As AI takes over routine tasks, humans can focus on more strategic roles, requiring emotional intelligence and critical thinking, leading to new forms of collaboration between man and machine. The integration of AI in everyday life raises ethical questions about privacy, security, and the future of work. Society must navigate these changes responsibly to ensure equitable progress. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data enables scientists to make groundbreaking discoveries in fields such as genomics and climate modeling, accelerating research and development. Energy sector benefits from AI optimization, managing renewable sources like wind and solar power more effectively, contributing to sustainable energy solutions and reducing carbon footprints. AI-powered systems help in disaster management, predicting natural calamities and coordinating relief efforts efficiently. They save lives and minimize damage by providing timely warnings. With AI automating many jobs, the concept of work itself is evolving. People must develop skills complementary to machines, focusing on creativity, empathy, and leadership. Governments and businesses are exploring universal basic income as a potential solution to address economic shifts caused by automation. It aims to provide financial security to all citizens. Educational institutions are adapting curricula to include training in AI ethics and programming. This prepares the next generation to understand and shape the technological landscape. Despite concerns, AI has created new job categories that did not exist before, such as data scientists and AI ethicists. These roles are crucial for maintaining a balance between technology and society. Artificial intelligence enhances human capabilities, enabling us to tackle complex problems and innovate at unprecedented scales. It transforms industries and opens up new possibilities. While AI takes over mundane tasks, it frees up time for humans to pursue passions and engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. The future is a blend of human and machine collaboration. As we continue to integrate AI into every aspect of life, it is essential to foster a dialogue about its impact on society. Ethical considerations guide responsible development and deployment. In conclusion, while AI may take over many jobs, it also creates opportunities for humans to evolve and redefine their roles in the workforce. The future belongs to those who embrace change. By understanding and adapting to the rise of AI, humanity can harness its potential to build a better tomorrow, where technology complements human ingenuity and enhances our quality of life. As AI advances, new industries emerge, requiring skilled professionals to manage complex systems. This shift demands continuous learning and adaptation, ensuring humans remain indispensable in an evolving workforce. Despite fears of job loss, history shows technological advancements often create more jobs than they displace. AI could lead to a renaissance in creative and empathetic roles where human skills shine. Educational institutions must adapt by integrating AI literacy into curriculums, preparing students for careers that require collaboration with intelligent machines, fostering innovation and problem-solving skills. Governments play a crucial role in this transition, implementing policies that support lifelong learning initiatives and social safety nets, ensuring equitable access to training and resources for all. As AI continues its rapid evolution, society must embrace these changes with strategic planning. Adapting education, policies, and industries will ensure humans thrive alongside artificial intelligence. Innovation and collaboration between humans and machines can lead to unprecedented advancements. The future is not about replacing jobs, but about augmenting human capabilities. Governments must create supportive frameworks for AI integration, ensuring ethical guidelines and fair distribution of benefits from technological progress. Educational systems should focus on developing critical thinking skills and fostering creativity, which remain uniquely human traits in an AI-dominated world. By embracing AI's potential, humanity can tackle global challenges like climate change and disease, leading to a sustainable and prosperous future. AI is not an enemy, but a powerful tool for human advancement. It's our responsibility to shape its development for the betterment of all. We must ensure AI complements human strengths, creating new opportunities rather than merely replacing existing roles. Together, let us envision a future where humans and machines work in harmony, driving innovation and prosperity for generations to come. This transformation requires collective effort and foresight. Let's shape this future proactively, not reactively, to benefit everyone. The last human job may not exist. Instead, it's about redefining what it means to contribute meaningfully in a world where AI is ubiquitous. Embrace the journey ahead with optimism and resilience. Together, we can craft a future where technology enhances life without diminishing the value of human endeavor.